everyone, I'm back with a bed. Why is I back? Yeah. So I was just looking after for my dinner. They didn't might get us. We probably don't be. Yeah, but dive to FT. They don't have to, but them dog movies. Dive to FTTV, Unbeatable, and that. Small dog. Daisy, Daisy, Daisy. But tell me the one that dawned on my dinner. Tell me the one that do them dawns and stuff. Yeah, they were Nathan. Oh, right. Him name is actually Nathan. This is another video, but I might make another one today. Stay in. I might name it What I Was. Because I will tell you what I was and stuff. And stuff. Wait, what? Yeah, I'll be back. Wait there. Let me remember to get it on you. Yeah. And I don't say hi and stuff. Wait, I did a dive to him? See, still button. You did it. Then hit no statins. Oh, and there was
Welcome to the Disney Bundle.
No. Oh, it did. Oh, never mind. Remember to dive to Unbeatable Dubai. Oh, I'll be back. I have to stay real busy on. Where is them? Where is them? There's something I really want to do a dive to. And my bet spend in Fortnite. Beat it right in this. On the door beat it do. And my best friend, it tells you about emo for Donny. That my Fortnite name. So if everyone watched this, emo for Donny, tell me on my video and then I know you. Tell my big date and boat. So people I'm new. Yeah.
Here's the deal. I'm giving away 25 switches and 25
It's
PlayStation
probably
4s. So all you
not
guys gotta do to enter
you
this
right
giveaway is
now.
purchase some merchandise. That's it. You can buy a shirt, a hat, a plushie, a squishy toy.
If it
You can
still
even
make
buy a pencil
$10,000
you'll
to
be
do
entered to
these,
win one of these
but
50 switches
that's not
or
happening
PlayStation
now.
4. After you guys buy some merchandise, it's going to be shipped to you, but in your email, your confirmation email is going to have a URL that will take you over to the giveaway on how to be entered into it. This giveaway is for the US only,
I need
so
new
go get your
PlayStation.
merchandise.
I need new
Guys,
PlayStation
got
4.
only a couple days left.
I want a
Like a
PlayStation
month,
5.
but it's coming up. It'll be quick.